Next one is hardware and software. Hardware and software. What is hardware? Hardware, we know hardware means the physical component of a computer is called hardware. If in our human being, hand is a hardware, mouth is an hardware, eye is an hardware, ear is an hardware, nose is an hardware. Everything is physical component. In that way, hardware means in computer hardware means CPU, mouse, monitor, keyboard. Everything is a hardware. Then what is software? Software means some program, something that is useful for some application. Software, some program, software. Which means we know WhatsApp. We know WhatsApp. That is a software. That is not a physical component. It is a programming. Some program is written in that WhatsApp, and we can chat each other. Then different softwares are there. First one is main software is operating system. Operating system is one of the software. Operating system is in our human body. All activities is done by our brain. Brain have one software. If I want to up my hand at that time, for up my hand, therefore that our CPU, our brain will send some data to the hand for up, down, up, down. For that data is sending. That is all activities are doing by operating system. Operating system is the operating system. In that name we know that operate. Full operation is doing one system. That is operating system. In our human body, all activities is doing by operating. In our mobile, whatever we are seeing in that mobile default, that's a operating system. Then second one is operating system. Second one is language processor. Language processor. What is language processor? Language processor means we know we are talking in Malayalam or English. If one person, other person is coming, he is talking in Hindi. So that language, Hindi language is convert to the convert. If we know the Hindi language, our brain will convert the Hindi language to the understandable form, Hindi language. In that way, computer have a lot of languages, C, C++. We will study that one. That languages will convert by the computer. That for processing the language. For processing the language, we are using language processor. Whatever if we are going in C, this C language is one of the computer language. Computer know, human being know Malayalam, English, Hindi. In that way, computer know C language. It has so many words and other things. C language, it will process the C language. It will convert the C language to the understandable form. That is language processor. Third one is application software. Application software. What is application software? Application software means application software. WhatsApp is an application software. That means if we are using new software for particular application, actually brain doing is full, all operating system is doing all activities in our mobile. Whatever we are seeing, that all the operating system. We are buying a fresh mobile, at that time that system, whatever it is there, that is operating system. That if we are including some new application software, suppose we are installing WhatsApp is a new software. In for particular application for chatting we are using WhatsApp. if we are using WhatsApp for chatting, this is a particular application. It is a software. We know that is WhatsApp is not a hardware. It is software. So many programs, so many instructions as written in that WhatsApp. That's why we are typing some message and send. It will send. That means the instruction for sending is already written in the in the WhatsApp. That's why WhatsApp is an application software. This is all about